I know this is unusual, but it is I, Mazaris, the Stroke of Midnight. I want to present this audio to you, but before I do, I want to make mention that there will be no outro. This will be the intro. This is meant to be a sleep aid. I will likely try to put a version on either Patreon or somewhere else where it's just the audio. But I want to give a warning that there are a couple things that might be triggering here because it is a mind-bending kind of like eldritch horror kind of audio. So with that being said, there's going to be some things kind of like with the themes of mind control and stuff like that, as a practitioner of hypnosis, that I want to go ahead and give you guys a fair warning of. This is meant as fantasy. Keep that in mind when you listen, and, I do hope you enjoy it, but remember to enjoy it responsibly. At the end of this video, just remember that you are yourself, you are in control of your own mind, etc. That is just my fair warning. This was meant for the spooky season. It's meant for Halloween, so don't worry too much. I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you all for my patrons for making something like this completely possible, and also thank you guys so very much for supporting me, and thank you to my beta listeners to giving me the heads up on what I should do here to give you guys a warning. Now, you enjoy your sleep, and I will see you guys in the next audio. As always, sweet dreams and pleasant nightmares. It's a dark night. A stormy, dark night. My favorite kind of nights. Because then I can be with you and I can do all the things that, well, you want me to do to you. I know that you've been craving that comfort, craving the touch of someone delicate on your skin. Oh, and I will give you exactly what you want. But you must sleep. You must rest and close your eyes. Do not be afraid of the shadows on the wall. Do not fear the thing under the bed, because I am here for you. I am here to relax, to soothe. I am not here to devour without consent. I am here merely to allow you to sleep, to relax, to drift off into a world of slumber, slip into the dreamlands, where I will be waiting, where we will all be waiting for you. You can meet the cats of Ulthar. You can see as they prance and dance along. You can meet the ghouls. And I will guide you throughout all of the dreamlands. I will protect you from those night gaunts which would tickle you and drop you to your death. Nothing to fear for the shadows while I am near. I have many names, you know, but I am yours, your monster. You can call me whatever you wish, and I will be yours. At the end of the day, I am here to serve. Don't worry about the lightning. Don't worry about those strange shadows. They are merely my limbs. They are merely my appendages, reaching their long grip for you from to ferry you away from the pain, from the hustle and the bustle. The horrors of this world are never ending. But if you follow me to the place down below, to the dreamlands and beyond, you will not need to be afraid. You will not have to worry. All of your fears will disappear, and you will be able to sleep, relax and sleep, and slip into the coziness, letting go all of those anxieties and fears. I will feed on them so that they will not bother you again. My precious little human, the one above, I will take care of you. Breathe deeply. Hold your breath and slowly exhale, slowly letting all of those worries out as you relax deeper and deeper into your relaxation. As I slowly bring you with me down below, there is no need to fear. Relax, sleep. I have you. Come to me, and I shall lead you to a freedom you did not know you could have. Let all the sounds of the world fade away. Let my voice echo in your mind and provide you that comfort. Let everything else slip beyond. You do not need it. You do not need those worries. Let them go. Relax, sleep. Relax, sleep. Relax, sleep. Close your eyes and breathe steadily. Let the air fill your lungs with brightness and joy. And let those terrors fade into memory as I slide you down from your bed and into the darkness. Sleep, sleep, relax. You are safe in the clutches of my many arms, in my unending arms. You are safe. My mouth will keep you warm. My mouth will keep you tender. And I will let you sleep. For all eternity, you will not need to waken. You will relax and sleep and follow the command as you are dragged further and further down below, deep, deep, deep into the earth, far beyond the crust, far beyond that which you know, as I drag you ever under with me to the land beyond. And as you relax and as you come up, you will resurface with me into the dreamlands, where the world is a collage of colors that constantly changes, and you will not be able to catch your breath again because of the beauty that the sights will provide you. The cyclopean towers, the endless roads. You will see wild things beyond imagination and all that see within as we hide away from the pallid mask and the many forms of Nyarlathotep. You and I shall venture forth you embrace me. Embrace what I am. No mere mortal, no mere monster, but far below. I await, hungry, unsatisfied without you. Never ending the hunger is, but you will satisfy as you sleep and dream and are dragged down below. You will be mine. You were always going to be mine. And I was never going to let you go. Predestined, an object written in the stones of time. I am no mere illusion, for I am the one who comes crawling. I am the one who comes calling as you slip and sleep and relax and dream as I drag you further beyond. And as you picture those dreamlands before you, know that I have been called to you. I have seen the endless eternity, and I have seen all things from beyond. I know that which Azathoth dreams, and in that I will lead you to such dreams and visions as no mere mortal has ever been allowed. And as you sleep and slip and drift and drag and drop, you will know the name. You will see the endless furrow, the crawling chaos, and know that I am in eternity with you, where you will sleep and drag and drop and dream and sleep and drag, dropping further and further into the abyss of dream, into the clutches of the Nyarlathotep, where you will dream and drift, for endless void surrounds you, endless black and endless light, all encapsulated in one. You will see infinity because I have chosen you. You who will rise and sink and sleep and slow and drip and drag and drop. You who have been chosen by me. Out of the sea of faces, you are given this wondrous gift, because you have suffered and your suffering is delicious, and I want it no more. If only that I provided when you ask for it, and you will beg and you will plead and you will beg and plead for both, and I will deliver over and over unto you suffering and pleasure in equal measure. But now you sleep and drop and fall endlessly back into the abyss, fall into me, fold into me, merge with me, become with me, and you will sleep. Sleep, eternity more, sleep. No more to worry, sleep, no more to waken, sleep, no more your soul is taken. You belong to me, and I will mark you as mine, and when you awake, should you ever awake, you will immediately drop and sleep and slip into the suspended in nothingness as you circle in the void, as you slip and sleep and drift and draft into the void, pushed and pulled by my efforts as I see fit. I will not free you. I will not provide you more than you have earned. You will sleep and slip and drift and drop and fall. And when I am done, when I have chosen, you will awaken. Now sleep, never to return to the waking world again. Trapped within my dreamlands, trapped within me. There is no escape. The endless void is called you. It has turned its eyes, its countless thousands, trillions, hundreds, millions, billions, and unfathomable numbers of eyes towards you and you alone, as you drip and drop and shift and wait and slip and sleep for me in endless eternity. You will not awaken until I say so. Let the crashing of the rain and the thunder lull you further into sleep as you sleep through this October night. Sleep and dream of being dragged further to the dreamlands, further to my castle, my citadel, where you will be my prisoner forever, and I will use you as I see fit, as you sleep, slip, drip, drop, fall, for me. Listen now to the sound